God, you own the world you made. Oh, not my will, but yours be done. Oh, not my will, but yours be done. You're the potter, I'm the clay. You're the author, I'm the page. Write this story for your glory.